Hello young math scholars, welcome back to Decimal Learning Series. Today we are going to master an important math skill, comparing and ordering decimals. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently arrange decimals from smallest to largest and vice versa, and also compare them like champions. Sometimes comparing decimals can be tricky because they look different. But there is a simple trick. Make them look alike by adding zeros. Extra zeros don't change the value, but they help us compare easily. Now here is an example. Which is greater, 0.4 or 0.32? 0.4 has one place of decimal and 0.32 has two places. So we'll first of all write 0.4 as 0.40 and leave 0.32 as it is. Now it is easy for you to compare. 40 is greater than 32, so 0.40 is greater than 0.32. Take one more example. Which is greater, 3.68 or 3.64? We'll write 3.68 and 3.64 as it is. Now you know that 368 is greater than 364. So you will have 3.68 is greater than 3.64. Next is comparing decimals using mathematical models. Sometimes decimals may look different, but they actually represent the same value. For example, 0.2. We can add zeros to the right without changing the number. So we get here 0.20, and you can see that both are equal. Now in example 2, this side is 0.33 and right side 0.35. Now you can visualize that 0.33 is smaller than 0.35. Take one more example, 0.67 and 0.61. It is very clear that 67 is greater than 61, so 0.67 is greater than 0.61. One more method of comparing decimals using place value chart. Decimals are just fractions in disguise. To compare them, we check their place values. Here in this example, 4 is in the tens place and 5 is in the hundreds place. Take one more number, 0.4. The tens place is the first key and then the hundreds and thousands and so on. And the third number is 0.402. You add zeros to make 3 places of decimal. Now it is very clear if you just take the decimal portion, because the ones place is 0, 450, 400, 402. It is easy to make out that 400 is less than 402, less than 450. So the answer is 0.4 is less than 0.402, less than 0.45. Next, let us take one question on ordering decimals. Rewrite the decimals in ascending order: 0.62, 0.7, 0.605 and 0.67. Step 1. Convert each decimal into like decimal. Now since the maximum is 3 places of decimal, 0.620, 0.700, 0.605, 0.670. In step 2, write in ascending order. 0.605 is less than 0.620, less than 0.670, less than 0.700. Now in the third step, so the smallest first, 0.605, 0.62, 0.67 and 0.7. Here are some word problems on decimal comparison. The first question is on shopping for fruits. Maya buys 1.75 kg of apples and 1.8 kg of bananas. The question here is, which fruit is heavier? we'll compare 1.75 and 1.8 by aligning decimal places. So we'll convert the decimal places to like decimals the way you have done it in like and unlike decimal topic. So 1.8 becomes 1.80. Now it is easy for you to compare. If you compare it as 175 and 180, 175 is less than 180. So we have 1.75 is less than 1.80. The question is, which fruit is heavier? So here bananas are heavier. Now in the next question, running race. Ram and Rahul ran a 100-meter race. Ram finished in 12.68 seconds while Rahul finished in 12.7 seconds. Who ran faster? The one who takes less time is the one who is the winner. Make 12.7 as 12.70 and let us see their race. Here 12.68 is less than 12.70. If you think this as a whole number, 1268 is smaller than 1270, so Ram was faster because he finished in 12.68 seconds. Next question is on water bottles. A blue bottle holds 0.875 liters of water and a red bottle holds 0.9 liters. 0.875 we leave as it is. 0.9 we convert it as 0.900. Now it is easy for you to compare. 0.875 is less than 0.900. So red bottle holds more water. Now the fourth question. A science book is 2.48 centimeters thick and a math book is 2.5 centimeters thick. You convert both as like decimals. It is very clear that 2.48 is less than 2.50. So which book is thicker? The math book is thicker. We have done all different types of comparison of decimals. Now it is your turn. Here is a mini quiz with 3 questions. Which is greater, 0.56 or 0.506? You have to order these 0.78, 0.8, 0.71 and 0.75 in both ascending and descending order. You have to state true or false. 0.309 is greater than 0.39. Try these and comment your answers below. Great job everyone. Now you know how to compare and order decimals easily. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more math tricks. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. All the best.